Hello, Chad.
Yes, Professor.
How are you today?
Not too bad. Just currently trying to build a bridge rectifier.
Bridge rectifier.
Yes.
Do you need any help?
No. Just trying to determine the nodes and trying to determine where to connect everything, but I have a schematic that I'm using as a reference, so I appreciate it though.
This is the easiest schematic,
Yeah, it's pretty simple. Nothing too crazy.
the easiest schematic I'm giving you. Here, the AC source goes in the middle, and the top cathodes
Hmm.
is your plus to the load, and the bottom anode, this is your minus.
Wait, are you trying to share your screen?
Oh, sorry, I forgot. Here is it.
Okay.
This is easier than making the box that I show or the. Anyway, this is the easiest way to visualize it. And when we have plus minus positive half cycle,
Hmm.
current will go plus. Can you see where is it going into the load? Top to bottom.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
And if you have a negative half cycle, negative cycle plus is here. So I go inverse. Again, I'm going top to bottom.
Okay.
Sorry. This will go here and then come from 4 from this one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4.
Right. Yeah, that's a lot easier to
4
visualize.
together, 2 and 3 together.
Okay. Yeah, that's a lot easier to visualize because I was looking up schematics online and it's
Yeah, I know the schematics, they put it like that.
right. Yeah.
And if you wanna overindulge yourself and get, this will give you the waveform.
Hmm.
If you want to get it to be more closer to your DC, you need to put a capacitor here, smoothing capacitor.
Right.
That is the end of electronics. Now we go back to digital.
Professor, I have a general question.
Hello, Vitali. How are you?
Good, Professor, good. But I have a question for you.
Do you need money?
Yes, but I'll send you an email about that.
So Chad can respond to this.
Okay, I'll ask Chad then. No,
Okay.
my question is, are you going to be teaching next term? Have you decided?
I am teaching every term. It depends on the admin. When they ask me to teach, I teach.
Very nice. Have they requested you to teach any courses next term?
In Wilsonville,
Hmm. Any online classes for Klamath though?
not really. They did ask for anything for Klamath.
I understand. Okay.
What are the courses you need for digital? Do you need any more courses in digital?
And digital? No, not for this is my last one for digital, but I just need some for microcontrollers.
Microcontrollers, that's what I'm teaching in Wilsonville. Why don't you join?
You're going to be teaching that in Wilsonville next term?
Yeah, 331.
No way. 333, I think it is, right?
I'm gonna be teaching, oh no, I'm gonna be teaching this course 331 and 335.
Oh, advanced microcontrollers.
Yeah.
I understand. Yeah, just based on like how my schedule worked out, I have to take intro to microcontrollers next term, and then spring term I'll take advanced.
Yeah. Anyway, that is what they asked me to teach so far.
Okay, perfect. Well, let me know if you get asked to teach anything else.
Okay.
Perfect. Thank you, sir.
Because I know that they might be getting somebody in Klamath.
Yeah, I hope so.
But I am not sure. I know that we have contracted someone, but he's having visa issues. Maybe,
Yes.
I don't know.
Yeah, I think he's from Spain. I heard about that too.
Yep.
Well, we'll see what happens.
I don't know, but I think they are gonna wait until to see if he's gonna come or what's gonna happen. I don't know.
Yeah.
Hello, Bernard. Bernard.
Good morning, Professor.
Hello. How are you today?
I'm doing okay. How are you today?
Just fine. And we have also Jose. How are you, Jose?
I'm good, Professor. Thank you.
What are your plans for the weekend?
It's my 24th birthday. I'm kind of old, so I'm just gonna go out to celebrate.
Oh, very good. You are 41 now?
Yeah, I'm like 40.
No, I'm 42. Don't worry.
I'm about to catch you.
Okay. Let me share the screen. And the first thing, it is a reminder about a very important issue that we had in week one. When we first met, we had the adder. Do you all remember this?
Yes.
This one was full adder, just full adder, and it is a small, tiny program. And we wanted this to be part of a huge program. Using modular design, this is just a component. I have my big picture, and this is a component. This component I instantiate. I call it. This is my full adder. As you can see, this is 8-bit adder. So I have 8 full adders. 8 full adders. And you can see the red wire. This is the signal. Taking C in and C out from one stage to other. I'm starting from the bottom up to the top. From the bottom, C in gets in, and I have all A's. Now I add the first two, the first lowest two bits, I add them, and I have here a C out. That will be C in for the next stage, and so on. Going up. Then this is my main program. Or this is the full adder again, yeah, the small one. And this is adder 8. Adder 8 is my main program. It is the name of my project. It is the name of my folder, adder 8. In this adder 8, I have A 8-bit, B input 8-bit, C in 1-bit. Let's look at it again. Is that true? Yes, here you can see that I have A 8-bit, B 8-bit, and C in, 1 C in. What is my output? Carry out and the summation 8-bit. Those are my output. Two outputs. This is adder 8 with the 2 output. So 3 input and 2 output. This is the architecture. Here I need to use the component full adder. I'm not gonna write it down in this program 8 times. I am gonna just call it 8 times. So here are a copy of my entity from the full adder, exact copy, but I call it component full adder. This is the port and the component. And here I declared my signal, and this is my first full adder, FA0, the lowest bit. Those are what I have: A, B, C, and the port that is on the other program. Here I call it XY. So XY, this is my component. But in my main program, I call it AB. So whatever is in XY will go to A0, B0. Cin will go to Cin. Sum, count from the component, it will come here to my main program. So this is my main program. This is my component. And I'm repeating that how many times? 1, 2, 3 should be 8. 4, 5, 6, this is FP7, 8 times. Each time I call my component, we call it instantiation. Instantiate the component. Now, is this clear to you? Hello, hello.
So, Professor, I believe like in the last time when we first made the 8-bit adder, we didn't have to write all the different signal carries, like 8 different times. I thought we just called it like as a vector, like 7 down to 0.
Okay, it is 7 down to 0, isn't it?
Yeah, so I'm asking, why do you have to, this seems like a longer version.
This version?
Well, the previous one where you had an I don't know how to say instantiation.
Yes.
Yeah, so I believe ours resembled this, but we would declare if we wanted to be 8 bits in the entity on the ports,
Yeah.
X would be an input, whatever, A down or 7 down to 0, and then same for Y. And then,
No, your
yeah.
your full adder. Where is your
Mhm.
full adder? You can share the screen and show me, so we can compare.
I'm at the school right now, so I have it saved on my desktop at home, but I will email it to you after to show you.
Does anyone have it? Haven't you submitted it?
Yes, I can see if I can find it on Canvas. One
Okay.
sec. Wait, Professor, can you go back one slide?
Do you
Okay,
want
maybe
us
one
to
more.
pull up the full adder code or the adder 8 code?
This is the full adder, and this is the
Okay.
adder 8.
Okay,
I
so
have
yeah,
the
here's,
adder 8 pulled up.
yes, here we go, the adder 8. So does the full adder component, when you type it out like that, is it recognized within the IEEE library?
No, we haven't spoken about how to link them together.
Oh, okay. So just want to ask. Okay, I actually understand now what you mean. So even though your ports, you labeled them as vectors 7 down to 0,
Yeah,
but in your component declaration, you're just assigning A to X and B to Y.
that's correct.
Okay, I understand now. Thank you.
Now, Jose,
Yes,
hello, Jose.
Professor.
Was
Yes,
it clear
Professor.
enough?
Yeah, that made sense. Thank you.
Cameron?
Yes, that makes sense to me.
Okay. Now, how can we get both of those, or how did we get it? First of all, you are starting a new project, and the new project will have a subfolder that is adder 8. And you are writing the program adder 8, compiling the program adder 8, no errors. Then you need another program, full adder. This full adder, you type it in, compile, and then you need a very important step. You need to add it to the project. Do you all know how to add it to the project? Hello?
I'm not exactly sure how to add the component to a project.
Is it with the task bench or?
This is a new project, and I'll say that I went through everything. If you go to project,
Professor, don't you have to create a file first?
Yes, file, new, VHDL file. I have this file.
But you didn't link your 999 example
Yes,
entity.
I am just giving anything.
Oh, okay.
I want to show you is just this project, add, remove. That's it. That's what I wanted to show you. You search for the file, it should be under the same subfolder, and you add it to your project. Now, when you compile your adder 8, it will see this file, full adder. Do you want me to repeat it? Anybody wants me to repeat it?
Yes, please.
Okay. Ports. Open project.
Can you share your screen, please?
I'm not sharing the screen, sorry. Open project or new project, whatever you like. I am opening this project. And this project is opening now. And I have file new. VHDL. I type this program and I will call it full adder. Then compile. Are you writing down? Are you writing down? Then
Yes. Yes, sir.
after you put your full adder, compile it. Now, file, new, another VHDL, and you will call it adder 8. This is the main program. You type it down. After you type it down, compile. Now you have all project is ready for final stage wave 4 generator. Do you want me to repeat it? Hello, hello.
No, thank you. That made a lot of sense. That really helped clear things up. Thank you.
Wait, Professor, what did you say about the generate?
Generate what? The waveform generator to check the output.
Ah, waveform. Okay, yes, perfect.
Waveform generator, yes.
So I see here you basically created 2 VHDL files, but previously you showed us.
Start with the small one, the component, compile it, add it to the project. I have to add it to the project.
Yes. Okay.
I have to go to project, add. After I compile, first one, full adder. Type, compile, add.
Gotcha. Makes sense. Thank you.
Second one, it is the main program. New file, you type in the main program, and it is called adder 8, the main one, the same as the folder name. Have you wrote this program before? Have you made this before? Hello?
I made it last time, but I didn't attach the component correctly, I realized, but I'm gonna go back and try it again.
Okay, I'll give you time today to do it. Do it. This is very important. Go to lecture 1, slide 44 and up. Start with this full adder, compile, add to project. When you are done, please let me know. Hello, Cameron Castello.
Yes, Professor.
I'm still waiting for your phone call.
Yes. Give me a sec. I'm on my phone, so I have to like pull up my computer here to actually do this. If I want to show you.
Okay, I am waiting and I am muting myself so I can hear you.
Okay. So you said homework 4 code or the code we were talking about today? Okay, here's what I got for homework 4. I have it resets here. I have a nickel in, and after 5 clock cycles of nickels going in, so 5 nickels, it gives a output here. And then let me scroll over. Did a couple different cases for this. I got a nickel, 1 nickel, and 2 dimes in, and it gives you out. It vends out and no
What are you
money
speaking
out.
about? What are you speaking about?
And then I did. I thought you were talking about the homework 4.
No, I am speaking right now not about homework 4. I need this full adder because we are building everything
Okay.
upon
I
it.
thought that's what you were asking me to show.
No.
Okay.
Please concentrate
Give
on
me
this
just
full
1 sec.
adder.
I gotta write.
Lecture 1.
Okay, thank you.
Any luck? Hello, Chad. Vitaly?
Like I said, Professor, I'm at the school library on my laptop where I don't have Quartus, so I will email it to you when I get home on my desktop.
Oh,
I know I have the adder 8 and full adder program though.
okay. Jose? Hello, Jose?
Yes, Professor.
You are done with the full adder?
I'm on my I just been writing notes and seeing the slides.
Okay.
I'm on my computer right now.
Okay.
Thank you.
Monday, I'll see it from all of you because we are building on it. This is a very important part to have a component and instantiate it. Thank you all. I wish you a great weekend.
Professor, question.
Yes.
Please, I just need a guidance. Let me pull up my screen. I
Okay.
have the first part, but the second part, to start the second part, I think I forgot one step.
You are done with the first part?
The first part is just the old full adder, correct?
Yes. And did you compile it and add it to the project?
Yeah, I'm about to. That's where I have a question right now. I need a
Okay.
bit of clarification.
Where is your folder?
I'm pulling it up now.
I want to see the folder,
Okay,
not the project, the folder.
my folder. Let me.
Yes.
This is my folder here.
Show it to me. Open it. This is the big mistake. I told you the folder must be the name of the main program. The main program is adder 8, not full adder.
Okay, adder 8. All right. I'm glad I asked. Adder 8. Okay. And for the second question I have.
Stop sharing, please.
Okay. Yeah, it's just
Stop
about this.
sharing. Stop sharing.
The second question I have.
Wait
Yes.
until I finish my talk. 1, folder, adder 8. Create folder, new project, adder 8. New VHD.
Share your screen, please.
Are you seeing my screen?
No.
Okay. Now you can see it.
Yes, now we can see it.
Create full adder 8 to new project adder 8, new VHDL file. This file is called full adder. One word. Full adder. Compile. Add to project. You know how to add to project from project menu.
By going to
new VH new VHDL. This is adder 8. The name of the folder. Compile. I don't add it because it is the name of the project. Five. Waveform. Have you all written those 8 steps? 5 steps? Those must be successful before Monday. Please, this is very important. Any other questions?
Nope, I got it. Thank you, Professor. Have a good weekend, okay?
Okay, thank you all. Bye-bye.
thank you, Professor.